Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today I have a special guest. I'm going to be doing my sister's curly hair for the very first time. She has like, I don't know if you would say 3C hair. Her hair, she definitely has a tighter curl pattern than I do.
A lot tighter.
But your hair is like thinner. So we have different hair. We do. Yeah, but I'm going to be using some of my favorite products. And if you guys have been here, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm always talking about Cake Beauty. Actually, I'm going to be using their defining curl cream and their thick trick, which I showed here on my channel before. She never used this one before. So I'm just going to style my hair how I would style. I'm going to style her hair how I would style my hair. And we're just going to see how it comes out. So let's just get into it. So she already obviously shampooed and conditioned her hair. And you combed it out.
I combed it out. It's just damp. It needs to be wet.
Oh, you could probably like turn this way so you can actually see the hair. Let's show them the before. This before. It actually feels nice and soft.
My hair's always soft.
What did you use to?
I use Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil and whatever that is. What's the name of it?
Oh, the one with apple cider vinegar and the brown one.
Yeah, the brown one.
It's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I don't know.
I think there's something else with it.
Restoring and
yeah. I've been using that to help with my
Do you like when other people do your hair? Like, doesn't it feel good when somebody else is? So first I'm just gonna go in with some more water just to make sure her hair is really wet. So do you usually style your hair in sections or just, you do, right? Or
I
you
do.
Go all together?
I try to do sections, like 2. I split it in half and then I'll do the front in 2 pieces.
Yeah, that's usually how I do it. I'm just filling up another spray bottle because that one was weird. Yeah, this is much better.
It's more of like a...
It's like a continuous mix. Yeah.
I think that one fell too much. Fell too many times.
Ow, I just hit my head on
What?
the wall. And we're just using a Caracol Tangle Buster. This is also one of my favorite detangling brushes. I actually have the mini one now.
I have the big one.
Alright, I'm going to separate it. Actually, what I like to do is put my leave-in conditioner all over and then separate the style, right? That's what I'm going to do.
I don't use a leave-in very often.
You don't use a leave-in? Leave-in is very important. So I'm going to go in with this Innate Life leave-in conditioner. You guys don't mind my missing nail, but this is the leave-in conditioner from the Innate Life. This one smells really good. Tell me what you think it smells like.
Citrusy?
You think so? I feel like it kind of smells like Fruity Pebbles. I guess it smells citrusy too, but it smells good either way.
Like a bowl of fruity pebbles,
Yeah. So I just like to run the brush over again after I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner to make sure I kind of get it everywhere. It's so weird. I don't think I've ever done anybody else's hair, like curly hair.
I don't think you ever did my hair. I always did your hair.
Yeah, I know. She used to practice on me. Well, you never used to do like curly hair stuff. You would do like braids and all that kind of stuff. And she would practice on me like a little brat
practicing on my brat doll. I was practicing on you.
You got that big ass brat doll head.
Isabella still has the one that you got her.
Oh yeah, she
didn't use it yet.
So next I'm going in with this defining curl cream from Cake Beauty. This definitely smells like lemon or something. And I'm just using my fingers. For a while there, I was using like a tangle teaser or a wet brush to kind of style my hair. But lately, I've just been using my fingers and I like the way my hair looks. And also, I feel like I get more volume that way. And I don't know if you guys can tell. Turn a little bit.
Which one?
This way so you can see it really quick. When I like run my fingers through my hair, when I rake my fingers through my hair or like my sister's hair right now, I try to just like clump together the curls with my fingers. Hopefully you guys can see that. So that kind of helps clump them without using a brush.
You feel the difference in like
how
thin my hair is?
I don't know, because I feel like I've been losing a lot of hair. My hair feels pretty thin to me now.
Still not as thin as mine.
Yeah.
But then when it dries, it looks like I have so much hair.
Because your curls are tighter, so when your hair dries, it looks like you have more hair than me. But once I'm done raking this through, I'm just going to scrunch it. As much as I hate styling my hair when it's soaking wet, that honestly gives...
It looks so much better.
It'll give you the best results if you style your hair once it's soaking wet. I'm kind of unsure like how much product
to use on
because like I don't want to use too much and have your hair way down, or use too little and then it's like frizzy. Your curls are definitely like so much more bouncier. I love it. Honestly, I can't wait till this color like gets out of my hair, because I feel like obviously since I dyed my hair, my curls changed so much. And your hair, she hasn't dyed her hair in like 10 years.
Over 10 years.
So this is like literally all of her natural hair, and it feels so good. It literally feels so different from mine.
I think the only thing that I use in my hair that applies any type of damage is heat. Like once a year.
Yeah, it's actually been over a year now that I straightened my hair. And I've kind of been wanting to do it. I was just like, oh, once a year passes, I'll straighten my hair. But now I kind of don't want to, because I'm just like, for what?
Yeah. Like
I don't even have the desire to do it anymore.
I feel like I need like a legit reason to do it.
But like, what's a reason before? Because before I'd be like, I would find every reason. Like, oh, I have this to go to, I need to straighten my hair. I have to take this picture, I need to straighten my hair. Like, I have to wear this kind of outfit, I need to straighten my hair. Now I'm just like, I could do whatever the hell I want with my hair for any occasion. I don't care anymore.
Maybe I'll straighten my hair when I get married.
Really? I don't think I would want to straighten my hair at my wedding, because I feel like I would want to be like who I am. Even like with makeup and stuff. Obviously I want to look nice, but I want to look like my most self. I
just feel like it's like less that I have to worry about that day.
That's true, because curly hair can be very unpredictable.
Exactly.
That's actually really true. How do you want to part your hair? Like in the middle?
I don't part it myself, I just let it do its own thing.
In the front.
You know what I just thought of?
Get some product on these grifos.
The last time I was in a video.
Oh, she does music videos?
In your video?
Oh, my YouTube channel. Oh.
Look, what are you talking about? Oh, the last time I was in your videos, we use the same product.
I know. And it was literally a year ago.
Was it a year ago?
I discovered these products like last March, like right when the quarantine happened.
That's
and I was staying over here. Yeah, I remember.
That's crazy.
I'm not sure how to style the front of your hair, because usually I'll like finger coil these to my face. So I don't know how you like it.
The front of my hair, especially like right around my ears.
It's frizzy?
No, it's not. My curl pattern there is not as tight as my hair everywhere else.
Yeah.
If anything, it's like looser than what you have.
Okay, next I'm gonna go in with their Thick Trick Foam. I really love this stuff. It's really volumizing, and I feel like it really expands like the curl. Like not just give you, I mean, I guess that helps with the volume part. But I don't know, it's weird how it works, but it looks really nice, and it doesn't have a strong hold or anything, so it's just gonna be like really soft, pretty curls. But for this, I think I want you to flip over. Like flip your head over, yeah.
Hold it up.
Yeah, okay. I also like to put this foam like in the roots. That also helps get a little bit more volume, so. What are your go-to like favorite styling products? That's my favorite. The Cantu.
Honestly, I haven't used Cantu this year at all.
Really?
Is it Urban Hydration? The yellow with the black
honey thing?
Yeah, that. I've been using that. That and then a little bit of Eco Styler gel.
Oh yeah, you use Eco. I don't really use Eco Styler.
I've always used it. And I'm using that Curlsmith stuff that you gave me. It's okay.
I think this is good as far as styling. So that is pretty much it as far as styling. Turn around so you can see the back. This is what her hair is looking like. Looks really nice and defined. So hopefully we actually get some good results, but we're just gonna let it air dry. You can turn around if you want. We're just gonna let it air dry You don't want to diffuse at all, right?
We can later.
Yeah, we'll let it air dry for a little bit and we might come back to diffuse, but if not, at the end still, I kind of want to come back on here and show you guys the final result and all that stuff. So let's see you guys a little bit. Okay, so we are back. Her hair is like, I would say 90% dry, right?
Yeah.
It's like a little bit wet in the root, so I'm just gonna go over it with the blow dryer a little bit. All right, I'm just going to use the diffuser and probably just hover around a little bit. It looks actually so good. It's like a little frizzy in this area, but okay, it's okay. Frizz is normal, you guys. Frizz is completely normal. But I feel like it needs to just be fluffed out a little bit, right?
Pick it out.
Okay, we're gonna pick it out. I actually, did I bring my pick? I didn't bring my pick.
I think I have one.
Okay. Okay, she's gonna go get a pick, but this is my little hairstyle for today. I've been loving putting my hair up in the little claw clip style. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have a video on how I do my hair like this, and it came out really cute today. I didn't feel like styling my hair. It's kind of frizzy, but okay, so we're gonna go in with this pick to kind of fluff out her hair. I like to just flip my hair over a little bit, so flip, and then I'll do it this way and just like gently pull from the scalp.
You wanna know something?
What?
I don't pick out my hair.
Really?
Never.
Also, I like to just like shake it out, and then I'll have
I
you
normally
do that.
just shake it.
I'll have you do that once we're done. I usually actually shake it out first to see like how much I guess I can get out of just shaking. But for me, I always use a pick because I feel like my hair doesn't have that much volume on its own.
When I don't use it, or when I use a pick on my own,
sorry,
I don't know if I'm just using it wrong or what.
You feel like you don't.
But I create too much frizz.
Oh, sorry.
And then it's like knotted in here by like day 2.
Flip back. Oh, okay. Just putting some oil on my fingertips so I'm not like causing any craziness.
And my curls clump.
It's a little bit damp underneath. But yeah, her curls clump really nicely together actually.
But I feel like when they clump, then it creates, it's like so flat.
Would you pull these clumps apart or are these like good? Because they're not
Those
like
are fine.
huge clumps. Yeah.
Those are fine. Normally I just do the ones in the back. Because eventually they fall apart anyway.
Yeah.
So if I want my hair to last longer, I just won't touch it. Flex out on
Let's see what it looks like from the back. So her hair is pretty much done. How do you like it? How do you think it looks using the product? So she's already used this curl defining cream, but you've never used the mousse. Well, this isn't mousse, this is foam. So we have used this one before. She's used the mousse before, but I recently started using the foam because when we got our hair cut, the lady used foam.
She used foam.
And I was like, oh, I really like the way my hair came out, so I went and bought one. And I personally really like this, except it doesn't give you like a hard cast. So
that's what I kind of like that. I normally
it's
have
just like
a hard
soft
cast.
curls. Yeah.
And today I don't. It's a softer look.
Yeah. I like it.
And it looks good with my haircut.
Let's show them the back. Do you guys see how much shrinkage she gets?
I know, it's crazy now. It's like above my bra.
So this is what her hair is looking like from the back. Her curls look so good. I love how her curls look. They're so much tighter. And this is like completely her natural hair. No chemical damage, no heat damage.
Color damage.
No color damage. It looks so good. Look how bouncy it is.
I like how soft it is.
Mm-hmm. So that is going to be
Can you wait? Damn, sorry.
So that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me and my sister styling her hair for the very first time. Let me know if you guys like to style your sister's hair. If you have a sister, I don't know, if you grew up with curly hair, did you guys style each other's hair, or you know, what'd you guys do? Because we never really did each other's hair, besides you doing like braids and stuff. But we never really wore our hair curly like that when we were younger.
No, we straightened it a lot.
Yeah, but yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave all these products down below. I'll have a video up soon with my updated curly hair routine, showing you guys more in depth on what I do differently now, especially now that I cut my hair. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos with my sister, let me know, because maybe she'll be more inclined to film with me. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.